Hello, friends. Welcome. Today we are going to talk about subject. Okay, what is the subject? We have two definitions for the subject. First, subject as the doer of an action. We can say the subject is the person, animal, or thing that performs the action of the verb in an active sentence. Okay, we say the subject is the doer of the action of the verb. It means that the subject performs an action. For example, Ali kicked the ball. Who kicked the ball? Ali. Ali is the doer, is the performer. The second one, the cat chased the mouse. What chased the mouse? The cat. The cat chased the mouse. The cat is the subject. Or the next one, my teacher explained the lesson. Who explained the lesson? My teacher. In that case, my teacher is the doer of the action. The children played outside. The children played outside. Who played outside? The children. The children or the doer of the action of playing. Okay, this was the first definition for the subject. Then the second definition. The second definition, we can say subject as the person or thing being talked about. Sometimes the subject does not perform the action of the verb. Instead, the subject is the person or thing that we talk about in the sentence. We can say the subject is the main person, thing, idea, or topic that the sentence is about, even when there is no clear action. Let's look at a few examples. The weather is cold. In this sentence, what do we talk about? We talk about the weather. The weather is cold. The second one, my phone is new. My phone is new. What is new? My phone. We talk about my phone. The second one, honesty is important. What is important? Honesty. As you see in here, we talk about honesty. The next one, those books are expensive. Those books are expensive. What are expensive? Those books. We talk about those books. Okay. It was all about, we can say, the subject, that what is the subject, the definition of the subject. Now, the next question is this, guys. What can be the subject of a sentence? What can be the subject of a sentence? The first thing that can be the subject of a sentence is a noun or a noun phrase. You know, a noun, the name of a place, the name of a person, the name of a thing, the name of an animal, the name of an idea. Okay, but what is a noun phrase? Let's look at the noun phrase. A noun phrase, we can say, when we have a noun before noun, if we have determiners or modifiers, and then we have post modifiers. If you have a noun and before a noun you have determiners, and then beside determiners, if you have pre-modifiers, and then you have the noun itself, and then after the noun you have post modifiers, in that case it is called a noun phrase. Check the three old wooden chairs. In here, chairs is our noun. Before noun we have the determiner the and the modifiers three old wooden. These are our modifiers, and all together make up a noun phrase. Or the next one, the book on the table. In here, before book we have the determiner the, and after the book we have post modifiers which are on the table. Or the next one, the girl who won the prize. In here we have the girl, before girl we have the, we have before noun the determiner, and then we have post modifier. Our post modifier is a clause, who won the prize. And the next one, the two extremely talented musicians from Kabul. In here, musicians is the head noun or the central noun, and before the central noun we have the determiner the pre-modifiers to, extremely talented, and post-modifier, which is from Kabul. In here, as you see, these are noun phrases, and noun phrases can also be the subject of the sentence. Check these examples. Number one, Sarah smiled. Sarah smiled. Sarah in here is our subject, a noun and a subject. The car stopped suddenly. The car is a noun phrase. In here, the car is our subject. Books help us learn. Books help us learn. In here, books is the subject. Kabul is a busy city. Kabul is a busy city. Kabul, a noun, is our subject. My old phone worked better. My old phone. In here, my old phone is a noun phrase functioning as the subject of a sentence. Or this one, our new English teacher teaches better. Our new English teacher. This is our noun phrase functioning as the subject of the sentence, and then we have teaches better, the remaining part of the sentence. Okay, this is the first thing that can be the subject of a sentence. Then what else can be the subject of a sentence? Let's see. Okay, the second thing that can be the subject of a sentence is a subject pronoun. Okay, what is a subject pronoun, guys? A subject pronoun replaces a subject noun. What? A subject pronoun replaces a subject noun. When you replace a subject noun with a pronoun, it's called a subject pronoun. There are 7 subject pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. We use these subject pronouns to replace subject nouns, and we can use them as the subject of sentences. Let's look at examples. He runs every morning. He is the subject here. He runs every morning. Who runs every morning? He. They are ready. Who are ready? They. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. What looks beautiful? It. We enjoyed the movie. Who enjoyed the movie? We. As you see, he, they, it, we. The subject pronouns are our subject here. And then what else can be the subject of the sentence? Gerund. Gerund can also be the subject of a sentence. But the question is, what is a gerund? A gerund is the ing form of a verb that functions as a noun in a sentence. When we talk about an action, we bring the ing form of that action and we make it the subject of the sentence. Check these examples. Learning English takes time. Learning is the ing form of the verb functioning as a noun, and in here we talk about learning. Learning English takes time. What takes time? Learning English. Or this one, swimming is a good exercise. What is a good exercise? Swimming. Swimming is the ing form of the verb. It is a gerund that functions as a noun. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. What is fun? Reading. Waiting for a long time needs patience. What needs patience? Waiting. Okay, this is it, guys. In that case, we can say the subject of a sentence can be a noun phrase, a subject pronoun, or a gerund. This was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.